What's good, YouTube? It's your boy AC Coolin, aka Big AC, back again with yet another banger for y'all, man. Now, my last unboxing video was so long ago, man. And just, as y'all seen in my last video, you know, y'all saw how long it was my last video. So y'all already know it's been a minute since I did some unboxing videos on this channel. But with that being said, I got a special pair in today. And me personally, when I first seen talks about this sneaker and all that good stuff, I didn't really, I was like, oh, they cool, whatever, I ain't really care for them. But then when I went to the store and saw them in hand, I'm like, you know what, these sneakers, they definitely one of them ones. So with all that being said, you know, without further ado, that sneaker I'm talking about is the Jordan Airship Every Game. All right, man. Now y'all see this box. It looked like, you know, your typical Air Jordan 1 box, you know, get the Nike all over the upper, you know what I'm saying, got it all over, pretty much all over the whole entire box. Only major difference is right here where it would say, you know what I'm saying, Jordan 1 or whatever. It says 1984 Airship PE. So this is basically the sneaker that Jordan wore, like the silhouette that he wore before he got his own, you know, personal retro sneaker. But the size tag does read Jordan Airship PE SP. It is a size 10.5. I didn't get my true size that I wanted, but the 10.5 don't feel bad. The colorway does say Summit White and Diffuse Blue. So basically a white and blue colorway, or a UNC colorway, I should say. Now you don't get nothing crazy, nothing fancy inside the box. You know what I'm saying? No special writing on the inside. No special papers, you know what I'm saying? So it's just, you know, like a regular Jordan box pretty much. And shout out to them guys over at Alma Manera. I was able to get these for retail at their store. They did like a little first come, first serve thing. Went real smooth. So, you know what I'm saying? That was kudos to them for doing that like that. But man, let's get into these sneakers though, because me personally, I'm a major fan of these guys right here. These, yeah, they one of them ones, man. Like, I never thought I would be a fan of airships until I seen this colorway in hand. And honestly, this is a dope colorway, man. It got, you know, crazy details, crazy materials, you know what I'm saying? Like, get y'all a better look at it. Also comes with some extra cream or sail lasers, I should say. So that's also a nice little touch to the sneaker. But overall, man, you get this nice UNC blue. You know, it looks kind of like a Jordan 1 silhouette, but you know, it's an airship. So it's not like for sure Jordan 1, but it's also, you know, it kind of got like, you know, little details like a Jordan 1 would have. But overall, man, colorway is decent, nice little blue colorway. These did come in 2 colorways. It came with this UNC blue and also came in like a Chicago red type of colorway. I think it was called like Dune red or something like that. But I saw those and I was like, the details on these stood out a whole lot more than that red pair did. You know what I'm saying? From the details in this real thick, this thick cut hairy suede around the upper, you know, the collar part of the sneaker, even around like, you know, kind of like, you know, the eyelets and everything like that. It got this kind of hairy suede on it as well. So it's a nice, you know what I'm saying, nice little touch to it. You know what I'm saying? The swoosh also has that same kind of, so it's not as a thick cut as the collar part, but it does have that kind of hairy suede around it as well. Then the back of it, right there in cursive, let me see if I can get that to focus. Y'all can see that it says Every Game in cursive stitched into the back part of the collar, which is another dope little detail they added in the sneaker in my personal opinion. Has this aged, you know what I'm saying, midsole kind of look on it. Then you have like cracked leather throughout the whole entire like upper of the sneaker, on the toe box as well, all of that good stuff, got cracked leather. Then on the outsole, which is a nice little touch in my opinion. If y'all remember, the Lost and Founds had this kind of like dusty, like age, you know, wear and tear on the bottom of it. It got the same kind of outsole that the Lost and Founds had. The only difference is the color. But overall, man, dope sneaker, dope, really a sneaker that I'm glad to have in my collection, man. One of them shoes that Didn't think I was gonna like it at first, but now, they definitely up there as one of my favorite pairs to release this year so far. Now I know that sounds crazy to some people, you know what I'm saying, favorite pair. Yeah, this shoe, you know what I'm saying, it's like that in my personal opinion. Didn't come with nothing too crazy, you know, just the extra laces, but it also came with like a little, what is this, airship card as well. So with just details pretty much like the history of the airship. Now y'all probably can't read all that right there, but you know what I'm saying, it just shows like different little things about the sneaker itself. So that's a pretty little dope, you know, detail in my personal opinion, you know what I'm saying? It shows you like different things about the sneaker, like the details in it, the materials used, all that good stuff. So definitely something that I like to add to the shoe. They didn't just, you know, just throw a shoe inside here, you know, gave you some little accessories and stuff to look at. But overall, man, this sneaker, beautiful, beautiful sneaker in my opinion, man. Get that nice little aged nylon, you know what I'm saying, tongue on it. Got your Nike Air on the tongue like a Jordan 1 would have, or like a, what you call an airship would have. So pretty much, you know what I'm saying, the same detail. This is my first airship, so never really had a pair. Honestly, this is my first time seeing one in hand as well. So I might like airships, honestly, and this is my first time seeing one in person. So I never really had them in hand and really look at the shoe itself. But these actually, they really, maybe it's because of the details on this pair that makes me like this shoe so much. Maybe I'm not a fan of airships in general, but these right here, this colorway, this style, you know, it's so like, it's a smooth, real dope colorway in my personal opinion, you know what I'm saying? You know, I'm not really a major fan of the lasers, because that's not the same as that color as like the blue on the shoe, but I think I'm gonna probably throw in these cream laces, you know what I'm saying? Kind of give it something like a little difference, like a kind of match the outsole or the midsole, I should say, of the sneaker. So that's something that I might rock with, you know what I'm saying? I'm a fan of that cream. You know, I love me some cream laces, so the fact that these came with extra set of laces is also dope in my opinion. But overall, man, it's a beautiful sneaker in my personal opinion. A shoe that's probably gonna get a decent amount of wears out of me. I'm not gonna say a lot, but it's gonna get a decent amount of wears out of me. You know, something that I'm glad to have in my collection, because I really wasn't feeling them at first. But once again, now that I got them in hand, this is definitely a beautiful sneaker. Definitely a shoe that I can see myself putting on with, you know, some decent fits, some cozy fits, some fly fits, you know, however you want to work with, you know what I'm saying? Comfortable sneaker. Like I said, I did go half a size down. The guy in the store told me they run small, but I don't know, they actually fit pretty fine in my personal opinion, in size 10.5. So I don't see an issue with the 10.5, you know what I'm saying? Maybe an 11 probably would fit way better, but the only size they had in the store, they had a 10.5 and a 12. And I didn't want to get them too big, and I was like, I have 10.5s in my collection already, so I said, why not rock with the 10.5, you know what I'm saying? So overall, comfortable sneaker, great, you know, it feel like a regular Jordan 1, you know what I'm saying? Doesn't feel no different than that, but overall, man, glad I got these for retail. On top of that, retail was extremely cheap on these. I think it was like $150 or something like that. So I was able to get these for $150, which in my personal opinion is still price. Resale on these is not too much right now. I think it's like on Gold, I seen pairs for like 200 plus, something like that. Nothing, not no $300-400 shoe. You know what I'm saying? It's like once again, like I said, it's a slept on sneaker. Most people don't really care for this airship, you know what I'm saying? Still a way. Most people want the Air Jordan 1 or like 3s, 4s, stuff like that. But the airship is not something that you really hear people talk about too much. Now, they don't really have no collabs with no airships. You know, I think Alma Nair did have an airship collab, but don't think that really got like a lot of buzz as well. But this pair, once again, this out of the two pairs that came out of the every game, you know, pack, this UNC colorway is definitely the one that stood out the most to me. The red pair, it didn't have this suede around the collar. I don't think the swoosh and all this stuff was suede. I think it was all leather, so it was cool, but it's something about suede that makes the shoe look more upscale and more, you know what I'm saying, unique. So me personally, I'm a fan of this pair. I'm glad I did get this pair. Glad I did show up when I did show up at the Alma Nair store, because it was already a line forming outside the door before 12, which is when they opened up. So I'm glad I did get there, you know, in time for me to get my pair. You know, I didn't have to worry about being in the back of the line with 30, 40 people. But once again, it's a slept on colorway, so most people don't really care for this. So maybe that's why the line wasn't that long. So maybe in the future, when the other shoes come out, the line might be a little bit longer, so I might have to get there a little bit earlier. But who knows, man. But once again, beautiful sneaker, beautiful colorway, definitely great little summer sneaker to put on, you know what I'm saying, get your Nice little summer fit, you know what I'm saying? Nice colors to go with this. And I think a yellow would look good with this colorway in my personal opinion, but I don't know what I'm gonna do with it. I'm gonna do something with it. I'm gonna put something on with them. Y'all, if y'all follow me on Instagram, y'all probably see me and some fit pics in these sometime this summer. But who knows, you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna figure something out. I'm gonna put these joints on, rock them. But as always, man, hey, I appreciate y'all for tuning in to my videos, rocking with my channel, man. Y'all didn't leave when I started making videos for over a month. Y'all stayed, you know what I'm saying? I still get 400 plus subscribers, and my subscribers still growing, you know what I'm saying? I still getting subscribers even with only putting up minimal amount of videos over the past month. So I appreciate y'all for sticking with me through this, like, you know, this little moving period for me, moving from Memphis down to Houston. Once again, you know, I'm here, I'm in Houston now. This is my new, you know what I'm saying, home. So still getting adjusted to the city, still getting acquainted to the city and everything, you know, still trying to learn the road, you know, the traffic and all that good stuff. But as always, man, hey, I'm here for the videos. I'm making the videos. Y'all finna get more content out of me, more videos out of me. You're finna go to these little sneaker events, these vintage events. Might even throw in a couple little vintage, you know, like Goodwills and like little thrift shops. You know what I'm saying? Do some little shopping in there and get some pickups out of there so y'all can see what I've been finding like in these little thrift stores and stuff like that. But as always, man, I appreciate y'all for watching my videos. And hey, remember, if you're not subscribed, man, push that subscribe button, smash the subscribe button, man, turn the notification bell on, tell a friend to tell a friend, and make sure that friend tell another friend, man. And once again, I appreciate y'all for watching my videos, and I'm gonna catch y'all on the next one, man. Peace.